Today I'm going to be showing you guys something special that I got a few weeks ago. Can you guys guess what it is? Well, they are... I have new measuring tools! I tried about this before, but I just wanted to show you guys what I have. So, this is basically this, and it's actually really good because it can detach the measuring tools, like this, and they can come off of this little ring thingy, and then you can like separate them. But I'm probably gonna keep them on there because I'm known for, you know, losing things. So, as you know, they can just go like that, and then come on. So I'm gonna show you guys the ones that see, look that I almost lost them. This is why I need to keep them on the ring thing. I take them off, and a second after I take them off, I almost lose them. Let me put them back on the ring. If I can, I don't really know how. Did it. Okay, so we have, here we have 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, 1/2 cup, and then 1 whole big cup. Who's coming in? Oh, hey, Webby. It's Webby. Oh, no. Okay, so, I'm going to be using this for baking because you guys know that I've done a lot of baking on my channel.
Hey, Brandon.
Hey, Wobby.
You started not doing baking video.
I have a baking video coming out tomorrow.
I missed these
Hey,
videos.
Kaden. He's upset because we threw away his broken lightsaber. So, yeah.
And we're sitting in my room.
And I'm not helping because you guys aren't going to help clean my room. So. Even though you're the one who made the mess. Especially that one over there. But, yeah. So, here are my it's called measuring tools.
Ah!
Sorry. It's called measuring tools. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna end this video. Guys, look what I found. I found these. I found Kaden's. Sorry. I got my Chewbacca.
Yes, mine. Don't do that.
Well, here are my measuring tools. Like I said, I have 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup,
What you done today?
1/2 cup, and then 1 whole cup. Okay, I'll see you
What
next
you
time.
done today?
He said that in one of my videos and he ruined up the whole entire video.
What you done today?
What you going to do? What you going to do? What you going to do?
What you done?
So I had recorded a video a long time ago and I forgot I posted it, but it never went on to the and now it's probably deleted. It was my rock collection, showing you guys my rock collection, but I posted the second part of the video, and that actually posted it fine, and now I'm upset. I've been upset for almost 2 years now. I could have been out for almost 2 years. No, my measuring tools got messed up. Oh no! Okay, I need to take them out of this thing. Let's take them out of this thing. Come out! Thank you! Okay, so... Ow! Hit me on the head.
Please subscribe to us again.
Oh yeah, it's called Christopher and Kaden Shepherd. They can see.
Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Amazing! The spider... Like the spider AI!
Why you keep... Okay, well, I'm gonna end this video here. Bye!